So I had a young singer approach me the other day, and she had asked me for advice on belting because when she has a particular solo, the low parts are fine, but when she sings the higher part, she struggles. And so I asked her what was the specific note that she's struggling on, and she said she had no idea. She couldn't tell me. Now, as singers, when you don't know what a specific note is, it puts you in a position of always needing to ask someone how to do something. And this is the loop that this causes, because whatever that note is very important, because that will determine how you're going to approach the note. So if you have no idea what you're doing, you're stuck. Whereas if you just get guidance from someone in the first place, then you'll be able to stand on your own feet and rely on yourself.